What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. If you're just now tuning in with us, man, we were supposed to go to a whole auction yesterday. I don't know what happened, dog. I slept through it. I don't know what happened. I totally forgot, dog. I went to go look out the cars and everything, dog. Totally forgot, but hey, it is what it is. When I went up there and looked at what they had up there, it wasn't even nothing worth bidding on, so I guess that's why I forgot. But we got a couple more parts in for the motorcycle, and we need to go get like one last little part so we'll be able to mount our speakers up on our leg warmers or whatever. We gotta go get a new crash bar. Let's get that, and then I got a few parts for the truck, so I might throw them on today. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned with us and let's get it going. We haven't started this thing in forever, man. You know, we need to get this thing cleaned up and made sure it's ready to go, because I actually think we might got a couple of buyers. I actually think we might got a couple of buyers that's gonna go check it out. So yep, there it goes. It hasn't been started in about a week or 2 weeks. Still cranks right up, no problems. So that's a plus. Let's go get this thing washed up and cleaned out. Alrighty, guys, today is the day that we're probably going to try to get most of this stuff on the truck that came. We got a few motorcycle parts over here, so we'll just move this out the way. We got our door panel, we got our fenders, we got our light down there. The only thing we're missing is our side mirror. So let's go downstairs, load the truck up, take it to the back, and try to put some of this stuff on. Really just now realizing, like, I literally left every last one of my tools in LA by my bike. So I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to get these parts on here now that I'm thinking about it. Alrighty, so here it is. We gotta get I don't think we're gonna be able to get those fender flares on there, so I won't bring that down. I think I'm just gonna try to put on this door panel. Yeah, it looks like this door panel might require some screws, but I literally have no screws for it, so I don't even think I could work on the truck, but I don't know, we'll see. Alrighty, we got that door panel in the back. Let's bust this thing open and see what it's looking like. Now, this is different. I wasn't expecting it to come in like a little pouch, I guess. So I guess I just gotta rip. Oh, bet. Yeah, that was easier than I thought. So here we go. Got the brand new door panel, man. Going right on there. Just gonna bring it to life a little bit more. And now that I'm looking at this door, we already have an insulator piece, so we have to take this insulator off, and then this one has the glue around the trimming, so we should be able to get that on there. Just like that, we have the other door trim on. We are missing a couple of bolts here. Don't have those bolts. Then one more bolt here. So we'll try to have to find that, but it's already looking better than it was, so that's a plus, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. So me being me, of course I forgot to plug up the handle. Alrighty, so we got the door on there, or we got the door interior trim on there. It's opening and closing now, so that's a plus. Just makes it look that much more complete. So let's move on to the next venture. We got some fender flares, but we also got some headlights. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the headlights in, because I don't have any of my tools, like I said before, unfortunately. Bonehead move, yeah, I know. And I guess we can just see what we need, what tools we need in order to get this headlight out. Doesn't look like a bunch at all. Simple pliers should do, but I don't know if we should put the headlights in just yet, Don't know, I think I will. Meanwhile, we pretty much had the Honda sold yesterday, but the battery freaking died. So gotta go back to the thing, go take that other battery back, go get some money back from that and go get another battery, because we never took it back to get our little cord charge or whatever. So that'll save us some bread. Then we can get this thing started, sold, selling it as is. Haven't really even touched the thing, so it is what it is. I'm gonna just make a couple $100 on it and go on about my day, man. Battery's back in. Let's try this again. And there we go, once again. Back in the Honda, gonna try to get that little AC refill thing and see if that works for us. See if we can get some cold air blowing in here. That would increase our selling price that much more. We'll see if we can get that in here and get it cold a little bit at least. So we just got our alternator checked out. You guys were right, the alternator is bad. However, we did just get some air conditioning coolant or whatever. So my guess is if we get this AC cold enough, I'm just gonna fix the alternator and pretty much ask for top dollar on this. So judging everything works out, we'll see what happens, man. So let's it says turn this AC on full blast, turn the passenger off, AC on. That's crazy. I get ready to sell the Honda and this thing is like tripping out, dog. Literally every light on the dash came on. We get no RPM, no miles per hour. The freaking power steering is barely working. So I don't know what's going on with this thing, man. I was gonna go get this thing washed, but at this point, man, I just want to park and I ain't trying to break down today, man. And yep, just like that, we got no power again, man. So we can't even sell this thing like this, man. Looks like we gotta get the alternator fixed, unfortunately, but hey, it is what it is. Now that we got all the rivets and this front panel, we have to take out a couple screws on the side here. Sorry guys, I'm on my tripod, but we got to take out a couple screws. Basically take this screw off, that screw off, this screw off right here, skip that one, and then this one, which is kind of bent. So I don't know what we're gonna do there, but we'll try to figure out and get it mounted on right. Alrighty guys, so I just about got it, but I realized I forgot to put this trimming piece behind it. But I mean, this will pretty much be how it's mocked up, so you guys get the idea. Let's take it off, put that stripping on, and get it all situated. All right, so I got the first one on, got the weather stripping good, and then we got everything tightened up. So, I mean, it does look that much better already once we get all four on and possibly find some wheels for this thing, because I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna keep it, guys. If not, this will add more value to it, at least I hope so. So let's get the back done and then move on to the other side. Alrighty, I wish the back was as easy as the front, but I got some gap back here, so I gotta push up a little bit and probably reclamp. And then I got this weather strip that's messing up again, dog. It's crazy. Alrighty, guys. I don't know if I followed the directions or not right, but can't seem to get this one on over here. We got no movement from that one. Got no movement up here. Just this last little piece. So I don't know. I'm kind of stuck right now. Alrighty, guys. We got the last two riveted up. I got the weather strip on that one. The weather strip on the back one is tripping. So I'm gonna deal with it when I get there, man. This thing is time consuming and tiring. It's hot as heck, but we're almost there. Got one more side to do. Alrighty, just like that. We got this side ready to go. Lastly, we got to do that back, man. Let's get it done. Alrighty, guys, we got those fender flares installed. The front ones are pretty much perfect. Now I feel like I could have did a little bit better on the back ones, but it is what it is. I got a whole bunch of gappage back here. I gotta fix this or just drill it into the panel so it'll be correct. But for the most part, we got them on. You got the idea. Can't wait to get them looking perfect in the back. But the front ones look really good. So what do you guys think? I know with the wheels, you definitely need some wider wheels for this flare look, but it's cool. And then we also got the interior door panel installed. The mirrors should be here today. As for the lights, I don't have literally none of my tools, so I don't have a simple 10 mil to get the headlights out, but I do got the headlights, so we'll see if we can get them switched out today. If not, tomorrow we'll switch them things out. But let me know what you guys think about it so far. So alrighty, guys, that's probably gonna be a wrap for today. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's freaking hot as heck, so I'm literally chilling under the AC for a sec. But we went to another performance shop for the truck to see what they was gonna price it, so I think I'm gonna go with my buddy, because I think I'm going to keep the truck. We also went to go get another part for our motorcycle. We got another crash bar, brand new one. So when we go out there within the next couple of days or so, you guys will have that video coming right after that. The Honda was kind of a burnt mission, like literally 2 days in a row. Yesterday I had somebody coming to buy it, didn't start. This morning I went to go get a battery. It started. When I got to O'Reilly's, I checked the alternator. The alternator, of course, is bad. You guys was telling me that, so I'm going to get that fixed. Hopefully it shouldn't be no more issues with this Honda right here, and we can pretty much get top dollar for it. As for the truck, we threw the fender flares on, we threw the interior door panel on. We're waiting for the mirrors to come today. They didn't make the cut today, they didn't make the video, but maybe they'll be here in the next couple hours or so, so you guys will catch that on the next one. As for the headlights, I do have the headlights. Like I said, I left all my tools in LA, unfortunately, so I don't have a simple 10 mil to get those headlight bolts off, and I don't want to go buy one. But it is what it is, man. I got you guys some pretty decent content today, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about the truck. I honestly want to keep it, but then again, who knows what happens if the money talks. Hey, it'll talk, man. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned and catch the next update video, man. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.